Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Audible books with credits. First, ensure your Audible membership is active and your account reflects available credits. You can easily find your credit balance on the Audible homepage, usually near your account information or within the app's My Library section. Knowing how many credits you have is the initial step before you dive into finding your next great listen, as each credit allows you to purchase one full-length audiobook. Now, let's find that perfect audiobook. Navigate through Audible's vast collection, using search or browsing by genre to discover titles that pique your interest. Once you land on a book's product page, carefully check for the prominent One Credit Purchase button. Most audiobooks are eligible, but a select few might only be available for cash, so always confirm this detail before proceeding. It's an easy way to ensure you are using your membership benefits effectively. Once you have found your desired title and confirmed it is credit eligible, simply click the Buy with One Credit button. Before you finalize everything, a confirmation screen will appear, showing that one of your credits will be used. This is your chance to double-check that everything looks correct. After you confirm, the transaction is complete, and the audiobook will instantly be added to your personal library, ready for you to enjoy whenever you like. Congratulations on your new audiobook. To access it, navigate to your library section, which is available both on the Audible website and within the mobile app. Your new purchase will typically appear at the top, making it easy to spot. From there, you can download the audiobook to your device for offline listening or stream it directly. You now own this audiobook, and it will remain in your library indefinitely, ready for you to enjoy anytime you wish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.